Hey guys, Bearded Adventurer here. I apologize for not making a video the last couple weeks. Unfortunately, the weather has been really bad around here. Raining almost every day. Temperatures dropping. It's very unexpected. Plus, business has been really good lately for my employment. And it's just been a crazy couple weeks. So, this video, we're going to restore some cast iron pans. This is a fan request. Good friend of mine, and Talia, shush. Hey, Talia. Anyways, this video is about restoring cast iron pans. It's at least a 2-day process. First, you gotta soak pans in a 50-50 solution of water and distilled vinegar. Could take 24 hours, it could take an extra day, depending on how bad your pans are. If they don't look like they're ready to clean, just leave them in the solution for another day. After you're sure that the rust scale is coming loose, you take steel Brillo pads and you scrub the crap out of it. And as soon as you're done, put them in the oven, bake them at 450 degrees for about 45 minutes to bake out all the water and the vinegar solution. If you don't do it right away, your pan will start rusting right away. And after it has baked in the oven for 45 minutes, take it out and rub it down with Crisco. This will help season your pan. Make sure you do the inside and the outside and the handle. Any part you don't do will rust. You're going to want to put it back in the oven. You're going to want to put it back in the oven and let it bake at 500 degrees for almost an hour. It will make your house stink. Cast iron stinks when you bake it that hot. Don't worry, it's not going to damage your pan. Once it's baked in there for an hour, pull it out and let it slowly cool down. Let it slowly cool down. And don't put any cool air on it because it can break. Set it somewhere where it can cool down. I have a wood burning stove. So what I usually do is I set it on a fire brick on top of the stove and I just let it slowly cool down. And then after that, you have a seasoned pan. Alright guys, it's been 24 hours. Let's see how it looks. Woo, look at that. Looks like we've actually got something going on here. Let's see how she looks. Looks like that one. Rust is coming off. Alright, we're going to try it out in the sink, see what it does. First one didn't turn out too bad. It's already in the oven. I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. This one was in a lot rougher shape. A lot more rust on it. Looks like this one's going to be a little bit more work. Let's see how it does. So I took this one out, scrubbed it. The bottom looks really good. But there's still a lot of pitting on the top. So I'm going to let this one soak for another day. And we'll see how the cast iron pan does. And we'll see how it goes. Alright, we got the pan out of the oven. As you can see, it looks really good. We're going to start out just getting some Crisco all the way around it. This part's very important because this is how you're seasoning the pan. Be careful when you're doing this because this pan is very hot. I'm going to take some paper towel. Rub that right in there. You can see that the cast iron soaks it right up. It does get very hot, so be very, very careful. That is hot. Got the inside done. We also got to do the outside too. Just to be on the safe side. Ooh, this stuff does not smell the greatest. As you can tell, this is hot. When you're doing this, you want to make sure you have the pan upside down in your oven. That way any excess oil runs out. If you bake it with too much oil in it, it'll leave pretty odd spots in it. Alright, we're going to put this back in the oven. We're going to put this back in the oven and see how it does. This here is what you call finished skillet. It is still very hot. So that's not pitting. I put too much oil in there, and then when it was upside down, it bubbled. So looks kind of weird, but it is seasoned. It'll work just fine. Yes, you can definitely cook with it. And that's how you restore a cast iron pan.